Hello students, welcome to the class. As all of you know that we have ended the first chapter we have ended, that was chemical reactions and equations. So students, no work is done until the finishing. If you won't finish the work properly, it won't finished till yet. I mean revision. Revision is required. So for revision, I am here with some questions. I will give you some ideas, right, how to prepare yourself for your exams, because learning, I want to wear you with few questions like how to prepare yourself for your exams, because generally what happen, we just cram things and we go for your exams. No, cramming is not at all a best idea. I'll tell you how to prepare, what kind of questions you need to pick up, and if such kind of questions you see in any sample paper or any book, please try to solve them, right? So my first question is, can you see this question number 8? That is, in the electrolysis of water, name the gas collected at anode and cathode. Why is the volume of gas collected at one electrode double than the other? What would happen if dilute H2SO4 is not added to water? So students, the answer, how will you write? Like the gas collected at the anode and at the cathode. So in electrolysis of water, the gas collected at cathode is hydrogen and the gas collected at anode is oxygen. You need to think about it, okay? And if you have any queries, you can ask me the answer in the chat box. And the students, the gas which is collected in double the amount during the electrolysis of water is hydrogen. This is because water contains 2 parts of hydrogen element as compared to 1 part of oxygen element by volume. And students, the answer of the third point is that what would happen if dilute H2SO4 is not added to water? See, what happens? Pure water is bad conductor of electricity. By adding drops of sulfuric acid, we are going to increase the conductivity. That's it. See students, my next example is, or next question you can say is, give an example of combination reaction. Or we can say give an example of combination reaction which is exothermic. Next one is, identify the substance oxidized and the substance reduced in the following reaction. And name the phenomena due to which the taste and smell of oily food change for a long time. Suggest one method to prevent. See students, I have written, this is one example of exothermic reaction. We have more examples in the book NCERT of exothermic reaction, and already in my videos also it is present, so you can take help from that. See students, the answer here, HCl is oxidized to Cl as it has released hydrogen, okay, and magnesium oxide is reduced to manganese chloride as oxygen has been released. So reduction and oxygen definition you already know, so likewise we can write the answer. And students, the third answer was that how can you prevent pre-acidity? We have already mentioned in the last videos. These are the ways you can go through all. In my last video also it is given, right? Like antioxidants, vacuum packaging, adding inert gases, refrigeration, packing food protected from light. See students, if such questions comes in the exam, like identify the chemical reaction that will take place in case and define it. How will the color of the salt change? Write the chemical equation of the reaction that take place. Students, you can write your own answers. This is only I am displaying you how to write an answer in an appropriate way. It is a photochemical reaction. Photolysis, a chemical reaction in which substance is broken down into simpler substances towards when you expose them to the light. So the color of salt will change from white to gray, okay, as the silver chloride I told you. And silver chloride will get the light and will change into silver plus chlorine gas. So this is the photolytic reaction, one of the part of the decomposition reaction. Students, I'm just sharing some hints to balance a chemical equation. You can go through it. It will help you that adjust the coefficient, not the subscript. Even, odd, multiply by 2, make all even. Balance polyatomic ions as a whole. Try this and review.